Hi, I'm Ira Bornstein. Today we're going to be discussing accepting credit cards for your business. Obviously, for any retail or restaurant business, most of those businesses currently accept credit cards today. What they find, especially in the retail sector, is that tips are even measurably higher in those businesses, and that's why many service businesses today are starting to accept credit cards as well. For a service business, what you're going to need to consider is what business are you in, and where do your clients and where does your charging take place? What you can consider is if your clients come to you, you may need something like a standard terminal for your credit card business and to accept credit cards. And if you go to your clients, many of the new technologies that exist nowadays, even from wireless solutions or smartphone solutions, allow you to go directly to your client, reducing the need for a brick and mortar business. You'll also need to consider volume considerations. Obviously, you'll need to accept credit cards if you do quite a bit of business, but there are many people nowadays who may do only 1 or 2 transactions a month, and in those cases, often something as simple as PayPal may be an affordable solution. If you start to do more than just a couple of solutions a month, PayPal tends to be a more expensive solution, and you do need somebody's expertise for better pricing and better service. Why do you want to accept credit cards? Again, as we discussed, there are often cost considerations, volume considerations, and most importantly, it's what your clients are starting to demand. Clients in today's marketplace want as many payment options as possible. You'll also want to consider safety, security, things like carrying around a lot of cash is getting dangerous. It's more important and more valuable and more secure to process those transactions electronically. They're also easy to report on and easy to track. Finally, you have to consider next steps if you're going to be accepting credit cards. For those making the decision to accept credit cards, often going to your bank is the best first choice to go to just to get a point of comparison. Often banks are not the most affordable solution and may be a little bit more expensive, but at least you'll get a starting point. Once you do have that starting point, I encourage you to go to the internet, check out a lot of options using keywords that tend to focus around your specific business. And then once you find 2 or 3 different partners, contact each one of them, see what your best offer is from a pricing perspective, product perspective, and a customer service perspective. Ultimately, go with the one you feel most comfortable with. Thank you.